out, John.
What? Want to show you where meeting up with the group. We're gonna go to a car show, but I want to show you real quick JBV1. You know how the cops use airplanes, right? Well, now we detect the airplanes. So yeah, I can see the police airplane. It'll tell you if it's a suspicious pattern or if it's actually a cop. So yeah, careful guys. They might be using planes now. Well, they were before, but they might be using planes near you. What's going on, Brian? What's going on, man?
I'm running inside here to see if they sell any coffee.
Turn left on Wakeland Street. Turn right. Turn right on North Arundel Avenue. In a quarter of a mile. Turn left to US 64 West for Raleigh. Use the left lane to turn left to US 64 West for reported ahead.
I can hear his car coming through your channel, John here, and you're on the Sky One Videos channel. Today, we are at TC's place. If you look back at one of my earlier videos, yeah, this is the place. He does a lot of, like, if you get door dings or whatever, he does that work. And him and a couple other businesses are sponsoring this event. So this is a car show with free entry, which is really nice. So I'm pretty happy about that. We got a few cars here, and should be a pretty good show. Some nice classics down there. We'll go over and take a look at them just a little bit, show you what this is all about. I got my car all registered, ready to go. Yeah, we'll have to see how this turns out. Fortunately, it's overcast, so it's not too hot, but gosh, it had been so hot lately here in North Carolina. It was crazy. Last week at that at the drag strip, oh my god. Yeah, okay, so moving on from that, hoping for a good day. I don't know if I'll win a trophy or anything, but you know, I'll stick around for a little bit. If it gets too hot, I'll move on. So anyway, let me shut up and show you some cars. 1LE. I like this gray color, but people cut out in front of you, they don't see you. Cinnamon stick, yes sir, that looks nice. Cars here, a lot of tuners are here. I like this color, it's like a nice teal. Awesome color right there. These silver extinguishers are the ones you want. They don't leave all that powder. They're expensive though. There you go. Hopefully I don't get a copyright here. Liquidators. What? Liquidators, look at this. $25 for more. I have one of these. Finally got my copyright thing dealt with. They have a spot now where I can put my license in, so next time I got a friend's band or whatever and their copyright music, I can put it in there. Gotta make sure I do it right, because YouTube complains. horsepower anyway. This is one of those vehicles I'd be too scared to get into. This size of that turbo. Whew. Well, let's see if we can find Ben. You just got new tires on, but man, look at this, stretched out big time on those runs. That is weird. Tire stays on that wheel. Sean's car looks pretty cool from the back here. Down that row yet? Well, that row.
$325 Second place classic goes to Craig Moss with the 57 Chevy El Camino.
Good.
Second place domestic goes to John, I don't know his last name,
No way.
to the 2019 Dodge Challenger.
That's the shit.
Are you serious?
All right, John. Good job, John.
What? Thank you.
Say a few words.
fun show. A lot of people that I knew, but there were a lot of cars that I've never seen before, and you guys saw some of them. They're unbelievable. I can't believe I won a trophy, and Lou won like first prize, man. I got second, but gosh, that's awesome. Had a great time. Thanks for checking out the video. Please, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And be sure to subscribe. I got more of this stuff coming up. I'm gonna mix around a little bit, not just car stuff. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.